3D modeling is a difficult and complex process. With Doodle3D, anyone can create 3D models, and it is not but a little more complicated than drawing the shape in 2D. Doodle3D gives anyone, including younger children, the tools to turn their drawn masterpieces into a full-fledged 3D model.
Additionally, when first faced with the program, the pupil has to make a decision on their companion. They can choose between 3 characters, which will be manipulated to teach the tools the program has to offer. This adds a personality to the learning process and doesn't make it just a set of tasks.
In order to make the Doodle3D learning process more engaging and entertaining for younger audiences, the new tutorial has implemented some gamification aspects. This ensures that the application stays fun to use, no longer making you feel like a drag, and rather an experience that the users want to partake in. We also included a reward system. Students get badges and experience points, showcasing how much they've used the program and all the achievements that they have unlocked. They also can add their badges to any 3D model.
Many more things are still to come. A tutorial teaching an individual on how to make a car can be added, giving them an insight to use the program more efficiently and better. Users will be able to create their own characters as well, and for finishing those tutorials, one unlocks more badges. What will you make?